evening, everyone. My name is Angelo Ricci de la Vega, and I am here to discuss the code for AP12. So here, as you can see, here is the code for AP12. So int red pin in slot 9, then int green pin in slot 10, int blue pin in slot 11, int pot red pin in slot 0, then pot green pin in slot 1, and pot blue pin in slot 2. Then we will have to declare there void setup, and then pin mode, which is red pin, the output, pin mode, green pin, the output, pin mode, blue pin, the output, and then serial that begin 9600. Then after that, we will declare again for this intro in the first two line 2 to line 7. So here void loop path red, which is the analog grid there, path red pin, then path green, analog green in path green pin, and path blue in analog green, path blue pin, and then in val, which map is path red, then 0, then 1023, 0, then 255. Then here in this code is map the voltage value ranging from 0 to 1023 to analog value ranging from 0 to 255. There. So as you can see, this is the value from 1 to 3. There. And after that, here, after that, you have to print the value of red, green, and blue to the LEDs, to the serial ports there. In their serial dot print, which is red, is value 1. Then serial print, green is value 2. Then serial print is blue, which is from value 3. There. We will configure the analog for the value for RGB LED. Then after that, we will define the color RGB function. Then void color RGB int red, int green, and int blue. Then here, the analog red pin constraint from red 0 to 255, 0 and 255, and same as the green pin constraint, green 0 and 255, and same as the blue constraint, blue 0 to 255. So that's all the explanation code for AP12. So that's all. Thank you. So, good evening everyone. My name is Angelo C. De La Vega, and I will explain the code for AP12 with challenge. So, this is the code for the challenge. So, as you can see, from line 1 to line 7, it's already the same, but we added the buzzer in line 7. Here, we have to declare the buzzer pin, which is in slot 12. Then after that, here it's all the same. We will add here the buzzer, which is we declare on the first pin mode, buzzer pin, then the output. Then after that, here it's all the same. Then here, sorry, here, it's all the same. We will declare the color and then their values. Then after that, uh, we will configure the analog value for RGB LED. Then after that, we will check if any of the RGB values are zero. Then here is the additional code for the buzzer pin. So if value 1 is equals to is 0, then value 2 is 0, then value 3 is 0, it will make the buzzer beep. So tone buzzer pin, which is 1500. It will set the buzzer frequency to 1000 hertz and beep for 500 milliseconds. And else, if none of these aren't zero, then it will turn off the buzzer. So no tone buzzer pin. So there. And after that, it will define the color of the RGB function. It's still the same as the first code without the challenge. But here, as you can observe, we added the buzzer on the AP12 as the challenge, and this is the additional code over here. There. So that's all. Thank you.